Welcome everyone to the home of Integrated Luxury Aquarium, where we create wonders in resin. Come on in, let's meet the team.
The radius on this edge looks perfect now. Good, let's test it against the metal frame. I've got the resin ready when you need it. Keep an eye on the water level there. The fish are looking good in this section. Just need to settle this fern in place. Okay, finishing up the polish on this tank now. Welcome to our Resin Workshop showroom. Behold the spiral aquarium staircase. Truly remarkable. Welcome to Resin Workshop. Yeah, Pede. Our waterfall kitchen island. The water is perfect. Add the discus fish now. Let's test the filtration system one more time. It's a perfect addition. Oh,
Looks stunning.
okay.
Wow.
Ready for the final touches? Make sure the water flow is precise here. Right. Checking the levels now. Yeah. This panel needs a final polish. Verified. Perfect fit. Ensure the moss is centered perfectly. Looking good. I'll polish this seam now. Okay. Grab the blue pigment from the tray, please. Welcome to the Resin Workshop, showcasing our latest plant-integrated kitchen island.
This is fully modular and customizable for any space.
The resin is ready. Let's secure the final sections. Gotcha. Just finishing the layout. Keep pouring it slowly. Wow. The depth looks perfect. Now. I'm securing the last palm tree. And here on the island side, you see the customized coral and sand. It's quite detailed. And the water? Yes, crystal clear. The resin is ready. Pass me the polisher. Careful with the glass. Welcome to the future of luxury travel.
It's truly magnificent.
This double-decker design offers unparalleled comfort and marine life viewing.
We'll take it.
Keep it level, John. Yeah, steady. Looks perfect. Passing you the pink coral. This customizable capsule aquarium features a seatable sofa.
Perfect for integrating into your luxury space. Imagine tranquility this brings.
And keep the foam thick on the shoreline. Align the rollers right there. More sand on the left beach. Yes, looking good. The resin is flowing perfectly today. Keep a steady hand on that pour. Check the level on the machine. Almost finished with this layer. It's fully cured now. Look at that gloss. The rocks really pop, a masterpiece. The curing is complete. Look at that perfect lava flow. The gloss is incredible. It really captures the light. A true masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on our next episode.